1. Step into pure elegance. This sculptural marble dining table with gold veining anchors the room in timeless luxury, surrounded by emerald velvet chairs under a dazzling crystal chandelier. If you love spaces like this, hit subscribe for more luxury interior inspiration. 2. Warmth meets sophistication. Rich walnut wood with brass inlay, cream leather chairs, and a statement chandelier bring old world Italian charm to life. Don't forget to subscribe. We bring you a new luxury design every day. 3. Glass, gold, and glamour collide in this contemporary dining space. A geometric gold base supports a sleek glass top, framed by plush, white velvet chairs. Hit that subscribe button to keep the inspiration coming. 4. Simplicity has never looked this beautiful. Light oak, soft boucle chairs, and natural daylight create a calming Scandinavian retreat. Subscribe now for more minimalist luxury designs. 5. A touch of French romance. Carved wood, wingback chairs, and ornate gold ceiling details make this dining room feel like a palace. Like this style? Subscribe for daily design inspiration. 6. Bold, dramatic, unforgettable. Black marble meets gold accents in this striking dining space, lit by a statement pendant light. Subscribe to see more daring interior designs like this one. 7. Coastal luxury at its finest. Whitewashed wood, natural rattan, and endless ocean views make this dining room the ultimate escape. Subscribe for more coastal-inspired interiors. 8. Art Deco glamour done right. Polished ebony, brass detailing, and emerald velvet chairs bring vintage luxury into the modern age. Hit subscribe to explore more timeless design styles. 9. Rustic charm meets modern living. Reclaimed wood, black metal chairs, and exposed beams create the perfect farmhouse dining space. Subscribe for more farmhouse and rustic inspiration. 10. Sky-high sophistication. Smoked glass, chrome legs, and a stunning skyline view define this penthouse dining room. Subscribe now for more high-rise luxury design. 11. Formal dining redefined. This long mahogany table seats 10 in absolute elegance, framed by wainscoting and a brass chandelier. Subscribe for more classic and traditional interiors. 12. Mediterranean warmth fills every corner. Terracotta tones, wrought iron chairs, and arched doorways bring old world charm home. Subscribe for more Mediterranean-inspired design. 13. Clean lines, bold statement. White lacquer and transparent acrylic chairs create an ultra-modern, gallery-like dining space. Subscribe for more minimalist luxury inspiration. 14. Serenity meets luxury. Dark teak wood, silk chairs, and soft lantern lighting bring Asian-inspired elegance to life. Subscribe for more global design inspiration. 15. Industrial edge, luxury finish. Concrete, leather, and exposed brick come together under a striking Edison bulb chandelier. Subscribe for more industrial luxury interiors. 16. Free-spirited and beautiful. A live-edge wood table, mixed rattan and velvet chairs, and macrame accents create the perfect boho dining space. Subscribe for more bohemian design ideas. 17. Parisian elegance in every detail. A round marble table, Louis-style chairs, and herringbone floors bring timeless French sophistication home. Subscribe for more European-inspired interiors. 18. Where glass meets steel. Sculptural steel legs and a skylight above create a bright, ultra-modern dining space. Subscribe for more architectural design inspiration. 19. Rustic luxury perfected. A thick wood slab table, cozy bench seating, and a stone accent wall bring warmth and character. Subscribe for more rustic modern interiors. 20. Soft, natural, effortless. A round oak table and neutral tones create a serene Scandinavian dining space. Subscribe for more calming interior design. 21. Victorian opulence at its peak. Dark carved wood, tufted burgundy chairs, and a crystal chandelier make a bold statement. Subscribe for more historic and luxurious interiors. 22. Quiet luxury, Japandi style. Low wood tables, floor seating, and paper screens bring calm minimalism into the home. Subscribe for more Japandi inspired design. 23. Outdoor dining, elevated. Teak wood, rattan chairs, and string lights create the perfect golden hour dinner setting. Subscribe for more outdoor luxury inspiration. 24. Monochrome magic. Black granite, white boucle chairs, and soft cove lighting create a striking modern dining space. Subscribe for more black and white interior design. 25. Grand living, redefined. This estate dining room seats 12 beneath soaring ceilings and a breathtaking chandelier. If you enjoyed this tour, subscribe for more grand luxury interiors.